Hi, boys and girls. We are going to read a story today with Tom and Tabby, and it's all about patience. Tom Cat and Tabby Cat are waiting for dinner to be ready. They are both really hungry and they want to eat as soon as possible. They're having a hard time waiting. Have you ever had to wait for something? Why is it hard to wait? I want you to tell the grown-up that you're with. I'm so hungry, moans Tabby Cat. Why is dinner taking so long? Tabby Cat's stomach was grumbling. Mom, we need to eat now. We're starving, yelled Tom Cat. They went on and on about how hungry they were. Mom was getting annoyed because she was working very hard to finish dinner, and these kitties wouldn't stop complaining. Can we just eat already? Tabby Cat and Tom whined. All right, I want you to turn and tell the person you're with, do you think Tom and Tabby are doing the right thing right now? Mom said, you two are going to need to learn some patience. It is very rude to keep complaining about dinner. It will be done soon. You will just have to wait. Tabby Cat and Tom Cat ran upstairs. All they could think about was eating dinner, but they knew they needed to be patient. They played until their mom called them down for dinner. All right, now it's your turn. Use your own Tom and Tabby to act out what it's like to be patient. Show us the right way to act when you're being patient, to wait for something. All right, have fun. See you later.